What's up, guys? I just wanted to do a quick video before you watch this next clip. And basically, I filmed a bunch of videos that I never got a chance to post. And they were from my original videos for like my unboxing stuff when I got packages. And I just wanted to let y'all know it's a throwback. Oh, throwback. Anyway, check it out. If you like it, hit the like button on it. You know what I mean? Drop a comment, so forth, and you let me know. What is up, people? It's Proper Trinity back in the house with another video. And like I always do, we doing an unboxing and reveal this time. Mostly in this set is themed. This is what it's gonna be. And tonight, we got Washington, PA. Washington, PA. Haven't been to Washington, PA. So many different counties. I think like 60 plus, 67 counties. Correct me if I'm wrong. I mean, I try to visit a lot of places in PA because we got a lot of cool stuff out here. But anybody from Washington, PA, drop in the comments. Let me know if this comes across your timeline or your feed. And let me know how the area is out there. Like, if there's a place I should visit, check out what's kind of out there to see. And like I always do, if I call out your city, your state, or your country, just drop in the comments and let me know if you represent. I'm from PA as well, but from Philly, representing. So let's check up in this. I'm gonna slide that back some so you can see. It's probably easier just to snip like that. I was kind of excited to see what's inside here, because right now, let's see what was in there. Go see what's up in there. Wow, that's like, oh, I think I got comics in here. I think I have comics. I'm excited. First set of comics. See how I should open this up. Maybe open it like that. Oh, that's unique. Okay. Let's do... you know what? Let's just open it from this slot right there. It's probably easier. Alright, let's see what's up in here. Thank you card. We appreciate your business. Sweet. Throw it on the side. Here we go. Maybe one comic book, I'm not sure. Kind of excited to see what's in there. See what we got here. Gotta fight to get this bad boy open. See what we got. Cool. Let's see what we got over here. This is a good one. Definite perfect way to wrap it. I like this off the bat. That one is sealed tight. Alright, almost got it open. Cool. Almost. Check it out, see if that's a little bit easier to open it up. Oh no, so it is not comic books at all. But instead, this is dope. Alright, so I was wondering when these would come, and I didn't know what kind of box or package to look it up. So, this is dope. Look at this. So, Rainbow Island. This is the Southern Island set. Look at that. That is dope. I don't know. I think there's 18 cards supposed to come in a set or something like that. I was looking for this for a minute. I thought it was comics in here. Guys. Man, look at this. All Japanese version. That is sick. That is sick. Let's open it up. So, no, this is what y'all came here for, to see what's inside here. Damn, this is sick. This is sick. So y'all can see that. That is dope. There's definitely not 18 cards in there. It can't be. But let me slide it. Oh, wow. Okay. See how it opens up? So you can see how it opens up. Sealed. Get a picture with it. There's 18 in the set from what I know. And these are quite hard to come by. But look at this. Perfectly sealed. Wow. These are like stupid rare. That is sick. Felt good opening that. Now, guys, just give me a thumbs up. Hit the like button for that one. Got the Southern Islands. I got 3. You got in a Japanese version. You can see on the back. That's how they look. And you know, there's 18 in a set to complete this. So that's super dope. I'm gonna set that to the side. And 18 in a set. Let's head up to the next video. Catch you on the next one.